That's me. But here we go. To get it to stay. See? It's perfect. Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. And as always, watch the video in its full entirety. Drop a like on this video right now. Drop a comment, say what's up. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I literally think I'm the only creator at my size that goes and responds to every single comment that my subscribers leave. And that's because I appreciate y'all so much, and truthfully, I really do. So I like to interact with everybody that, you know, supports me. Today we have a video sponsor that sponsored Hades. We've been going back and forth and kind of came to an agreement, and it's our friends over at Staying Lights on Instagram, guys. Go check them out. They sell awesome headlights and taillights for Mustangs. As you can tell though, we have a pretty shitty day. It's piss pouring rain. Ben and I just cleaned up the garage for the most part. It was a horrid mess in here. And I just want to go ahead and put a quick reminder. 9 to Grind merchandise orders are going out. So, I mean, whatever's left, guys, head to 9togrind.shop. Get entered to win the free Cervini's hood for your Mustang. It's paid for, it's shipped, it's all covered directly to your door. All you gotta do is buy a piece of merch and you might win a brand new hood that's worth $1,000. Or you can opt out and get $1,000 cash. So, go do that. What was that? All right, check this out. My neighbors thought it's bad now. This thing sucks. That's me. That's me.
Got a marathon runner right here. Stiff ass arm.
Pretty popular light that's been going around the Mustang community, and I'm sure many of you guys have seen them on other SI50s. I fell in love with them though when I first saw them, so let's go ahead and unbox them and let's take a look at what we're working with. And this does come in bigger boxes. These two, I couldn't get the whole box in my car. It was a lot bigger of a package than I thought when picking it up.
Story of my life.
Yeah, something like that. Wake up and then you realize, oh fuck, it was just a dream. There's our first headlight. And I want to say these are just direct plug and play.
Ooh, she party.
You can see it has the DRLs right here, and those light up, and they just look so freaking aggressive.
Sweet.
Let's do a little quality testing on it. See how many drops it takes until it cracks, and if it doesn't crack, it's good quality. It feels pretty solid. They don't look cheap at all. They have really, really nice weight to them. And looks like we have our ballast right here. I think that's what that is. And it should be direct plug-in, legit. Just plug it in and ready to rock. So there's no wiring, there's no splicing, nothing of that nature. But they look really sleek, I must say. Let's go ahead and get a little side-by-side of our Staying Light DRL style headlight compared to the stock ones. And you know, they're definitely gonna have a different look to them. It's very different light, just across the board. I'm curious to see what they look like installed, and it should look pretty aggressive, especially when the DRLs are lit up, because right now you're not seeing them in all its glory. When that DRL around the headlight lights up, it looks sinister as hell. So we're gonna get this process going yet again. What you're gonna have to do, jack the front end up. We're gonna put it on jack stands. You gotta pull the wheels off. You gotta pull all the push pins in the fender liner, and then you gotta pull the radiator cover off, pull those bolts that hold the bumper on. I'm gonna try to finesse it to not fully pull the bumper off again. So we just ripped the bumper off. Now we have a bolt right here. We have a bolt right here. One right there. Ow, fuck. It looks like there's 3 bolts. This is the little bastard though that requires you to pull the front bumper off. S197 is the same way. If you want to replace the headlights in that, pull the bumper off. Yeah, it definitely is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That looks like it's zip tied. Nope, Christmas tree clip. All right. And like I said, it should be a direct plug-in, but Wow, what a difference in weight. A very clean headlight though. I mean, they are nice for stock.
Yeah.
And again, if you have like the stock headlights and you plan on rocking them, which you guys shouldn't, you should definitely head to Staying Lights, match Hades over here with the new set. But if you do, definitely head over to our other sponsor, Anchor Room. They provide these awesome gloss or dark tinted, so you can still get some amber through it. But speaking about amber, these ones do have amber. And I might have to call my buddy Alec. He is with Aberrant Restyling. He does all my wrapping stuff. And I know he could, dude, these are way heavier. Holy crap. But I know he could go and knifeless tape that section, lay vinyl, and completely eliminate the amber. So he might do that for me. Take our harness and snap them suckers in before anything. We're gonna set that bad boy right there. Go grab my keys.
Woo! Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look nasty, dude. Like, show them what it lights up currently. So you have just these like 3 tri-bars that light up.
You got the 3 with the running light.
Yes, sir. Let's pop this bad boy in.
Yes, sir.
Let's pop her in. Top bolt, and then this bottom bolt. Curious to see how these are gonna look, man.
Sounds like you're playing NBA.
Curry with the 3! Alright, that's headlight number 1. Let's go ahead and cut off these lights real quick. Get a little, you know, fancy with it. Oh! That fucker hot! Little dark test. Ooh, hoo, hoo. That's gonna look menacing, dude.
There's your stock one.
Oh, and it does have the tri-bar. You can see it a lot better in the dark now.
Oh, yes, sir. Look at that.
Oh my god, that's gonna look so dope. That's gonna look sick. Sorry, old buddy, old pal, but you're out of here. Headlight number 2. I don't think I'm gonna sell these. I haven't fully decided. I'm gonna rock the car a little bit with these new ones. So I know a lot of people love buying like my used headlights and stuff. But I think I'm gonna hang on to these just for a bit, and then, you know, we'll go from there. Make my mind up later. Unboxing number 2.
Look at that blue. Oh, I think I grabbed her blue wrapping.
Boom. Shmoney. It's just direct plug and play. Very, very simple. Nothing to it. Whether you guys have it, that's the installation of our, I want to say they're Morimoto. I think that's the brand. I'll confirm it with you in a little bit, but I got them from Staying Lights. They were generous enough to sponsor today's video with them. That's the installation. It's truly just 3 bolts as soon as you pull off the bumper. Nothing hard about it whatsoever. My crash bar is falling. It's annoying. Hopefully it stays. Yeah, that's one of the perfect, beautiful things about installing aftermarket grills is you have to 3M your fucking crash bar to get it to stay. See? It's perfect. My life. Are you ready, man?
Oh, yeah.
Now I'm gonna turn the headlights on, which I think I can do.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, that looks fucking nasty.
Yeah, dude, they are sweet.
Yo, that looks clean, dude. I like that a lot. That looks aggressive, and when it's all put back together, I think
Dude, it's gonna be nasty.
Fuck yeah. All right, well, that all works. Let's do the brights real quick.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
The fuckers are bright.
Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead and tack it. God damn! I gotta clean up some freaking gum that somebody threw out on the interstate. Just so happened to wham, and it got smashed in my grill.
Where is it? Is it down?
Yeah,
it's right there in the
somewhere.
corner. You can't really see it.
Pissed me off, but we're gonna clean that, mount up the badge, and we're just gonna get a little feel for the badge. I'm not 100% sold on it, but we're gonna see. So we have our badge, and I have the 2 mounting brackets. We're gonna see if we can just get it to balance in the grill. So it would be like right about, kind of like that, or maybe like right there, just like that. It has to go down a little bit. So Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty tough.
It's kind of tough,
It is tough. See, and like I said, with the brakes.
All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Cut the camera. We're gonna put the bumper up, just like lay it on the car and kind of close the hood, just so we can get a little more of a feel. Last little update for you all before we go ahead and throw the bumper back on and start reassembling the car. Installation, truthfully, very easy. If you had a set of jacks, a jack, a helping hand, then it makes it easier because, you know, taking it off and putting it on, you definitely want to be gentle. You don't want to go scraping up your fender because there are bolts sticking out of the bumper. So keep that in mind. Installation on the headlights, literally you could do it with a blindfold. If you just felt around like Helen Keller would, you could definitely take them out. We're gonna go ahead and get the bumper all reassembled. I'm not gonna show that, it's boring, no one wants to see that. But we're gonna get that reassembled. And as far as the badge, we mounted the badge and stood back. It's a no-go. Maybe if it were like a dark badge to keep the sinister look, but it just kind of like, it didn't look too well, yeah. It was almost too bright.
It kind of was, yeah.
So we're gonna skip up on the badge. I got the gum out. Gum, but yes, I'm using a chrome socket on wheels because I am going to properly torque these when it's on the ground. Thank you very much for your concern, and I don't give a fuck. That scares me, for one. Tighter than it takes ass, that's for sure. Mm-hmm.
We didn't realize that until
Hell no, we didn't, dude.
Shit.
How close can you go?
It's not focusing.
Whoa, dude!
Oh my god.
And she gonna run away. Shabba. Here we go, guys. We have the Morimoto headlights for all 18. Actually, they even have them from the Gen 2s. I don't know if they make any Gen 1 ones, I'm sure. Go check out Stang Lights. They have a website and stuff. Just follow them on Instagram. Go do all that. But here are the headlights. The final look. I kind of peeked before you guys. I think they look pretty sick. Holy shit, smoking NASCAR. Woo. You ready, Benjamin?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Ooh. They look aggressive. Damn, that looks pretty solid. How they look?
Sinister.
They look good?
Yes, sir.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, dude, that looks mean. That looks mean as hell. And I do want to go ahead and say, just like we did with the stock lights, I actually just reached out to Anchor Room. Anchor Room takes care of all my headlight, taillight tint. So if you guys are looking to tint headlights or taillights, check out Anchor Room. But you can definitely see the amber really is prominent on these, and especially on a black car, it's bright as hell. So we are gonna eliminate the ambers, and it's just you're just gonna see that deadly daylight running outline. So it's gonna look sick, but I'm happy with it. I think it looks so much more sinister. Like it has just an evil look to it, and especially when that amber's gone. Like look at that. That's fire. Do your car, do yourself the favor, head over to Stang Lights. They take care of you. We actually have a promo code. It's DBP Squad. Go get yourself a set of these Morimoto's headlights. You won't regret them. The quality, I'm not even just saying this, truthfully, it's way heavier. Ben felt them, way heavier. It feels more well built, which it actually surprised me because I thought it was gonna be the opposite, just because, you know, they're aftermarket. But amazing. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date with how long they last. I know a lot of my buddies rock them, haven't had an issue. Look at this, Ben. Look at it from right here. Oh my God. Look at the insides, the tri-bars. Fire. Absolute fire. I just want to go ahead and huge shout out to Stang Lights. I appreciate it, man. Hades looks freaking sick. And guys, we do have another well, another sponsored video from Staying Light's coming again next week. You guys might know what it is. A lot of you have been on my ass about it, and trust me, I know. Ugly as fuck. Ugh. With that, guys, we're gonna tune out. I'll see you Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, baby. We are on the 200,000 subscriber train. We are at 190, almost 191. The 10K countdown starts right now. So tell your friends, tell yourself, subscribe, bell notification icon, drop a like, drop a comment. And again, 8 p.m. Eastern time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, until I say otherwise. We might jump back on the everyday train soon, but right now, I'm just working on, you know, getting some quality stuff out there for you along with merch. So, 9 to Grind.shop, go enter the Win the Hood. Love y'all. Peace.